Science now confirms that your baby is learning in the womb. Pregnancy in a mother's life is no more a passive period, whereas it is a continuous programming. These days we come across this word called Garbha Garbha Sanskar. So today we want to understand what exactly is Garbha and how it can impact the developing fetus, the environment of a mother and the baby. It's just not a blind belief or a cultural tradition, but a powerful research-backed science. So within few weeks after the conception, the baby's brain has already started to form. And 70% of the human brain structures happen to form inside the womb. The brain structure, like the cerebral cortex, which was earlier smooth, by the end of second-third trimester, it starts to form the wave-like appearance. This wave-like appearance helps to build better neural pathways. So what is the role of Garbha Sanskar techniques here? The whole package of Garbha Sanskar, rhythmic breathing, chanting and yoga helps to increase the oxygen levels in the fetus, and they build better pathways, and later in life such a baby will have better emotional regulation, a regulated nervous system, and neuromuscular coordination in such babies would be much finer. So second and third trimester is one of the prime golden periods where a mother can etch the information inside the memory of the fetus. Because we all have heard about this story of Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu was a son of Arjuna and Subhadra. He had this strategy of entering into the Chakravyuh, but he did not know how to come out of the Chakravyuh, because while his mother was pregnant with him, the story was etched in his memory by Arjuna, and till then he heard, but after this Subhadra had gone to sleep, therefore he did not know how to come out of the Chakravyuh. So this is the impact that Garbha Sanskar, the lessons that a mother has learned during this time, can impact the genes of the baby. The Garbha Sanskar Vidya, along with the ancient yogic techniques, along with the breathing. Now breathing helps us to increase oxygen levels. Not only brain is forming new structures, but it is also continuously rewiring. So breathing, the powerful breathing technique that we do in our prenatal workshops that you're going to join, is a science-backed research where a mother is made comfortable to handle labor. The pain pathways tend to get changed due to the rhythmic movements of the breath. Prepares the mother well for the childbirth. Now we've also heard about one important fact, that there is a baby shower in the 22nd, 23rd week of pregnancy. Also because it has a very strong scientific evidence, because by 22nd, 23rd week, the baby has started to recognize the sounds because of the developing auditory system. And by the end of 26, 27 week, the baby also recognizes and shows preferences to the familiar sounds of the family members. So that means if we are giving a good samvad, the connection with the baby will be more settled, the mother will be more settled. And this reminds me of a very recent example. My client's baby, who was born, and just few hours after the birth, I was made to have a video call with the baby, and when the phone was taken next to the baby, I just chanted Om, and the baby clearly opened the eyes, not once, not twice, but 3 times. And it was such a phenomena because we were doing Om meditation in the whole pregnancy, few days of the week. So that is how the information is already being etched inside, and the language of the baby has been created by the mother's hormonal environment. If a meditating mother is choosing to send more oxytocin or the love hormone to the baby, which in return induces the impact of safety to the fetus. The brain is developing at a lightning speed during this phase. The factors that the mother has in her lifestyle and the environment that she is in directly influences the expression of the gene. We can put and induce certain expression in the genes without changing the particular DNA sequence. So yoga directly helps in changing the gene expression. We can understand it by the example like two plants given two kind of environments, but one plant can thrive and the other plant can be weak, or however we may want to understand this. So there are two different environments where the traits will be different. Working mothers can also face chronic stress, and our bodies are also designed to regulate this mechanism. When there is continuous environment of stress in the mother's lifestyle, this is picked up by the hypothalamus structure of the brain, which acts as a sensor, as a watchman to detect this danger and send a signal quickly to the neighboring pituitary gland, which is a master gland of the body, which further sends a signal through a hormone to the adrenal gland of the kidneys to release cortisol. Cortisol no more stays with the mother, it enters the womb to the baby, threatening the safety, the bonding with the mother. So yoga, rhythmic chanting, breathing, and all the design that we have in our prenatal workshop helps to regulate this whole loop, helps the mother to come out of this loop of stress. So research also mentions that if a mother continues to stay in this environment, can lead to low birth weight babies or even preterm deliveries. In Whoop-wise prenatal classes, you can simply expect the blending of ancient wisdom with the modern scientific understanding and application during the classes, which are curated especially for your body type. And one size doesn't fit all. Same way, one practice cannot fit all.